Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here in the kitchen again with 3 new recipes. Festive, fall, fun, delicious, nutritious recipes that you're gonna love for this season. So let's get into it. Alrighty, smoothie recipe number 1 is a healthy apple pie smoothie. So yummy, one of my favorites. So we're gonna do 1 red apple. Make sure you wash it well. Wash it nice and well and cut around that core. We don't want to put core in the blender. All right, doesn't belong there. So go ahead and do that. Alrighty, get rid of that core. Bye-bye, thank you. All goes in a blender or a cup, whatever you use to make a nice smoothie. And we have a 1/4 cup of oats, rolled oats. All right, in we go. A 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Very high in protein, also good for probiotics. I eat or drink Greek yogurt every single day just to get extra protein in those probiotics. So highly recommend get non-fat, non-sweetened, plain Greek yogurt. Then we have 1/2 a cup of non-dairy milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use oat milk, hemp milk, whatever is your favorite. And this is 1/2 a cup, but if you want it a little bit silkier and smoother, you can go ahead and try 1 cup of milk. All right, up to you. You got freedom there. All right, and if you want a little bit more like slushy and cold or a thicker consistency, you're going to use ice. All right, and then we also are doing a 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. All right, maple syrup. And it goes, gives us a nice sweetness. If you don't want to use maple syrup, you can use honey, all right? I usually always use honey, but it's good to mix it up a little bit. And maple syrup is what's gonna give it that apple pie taste as well. To really make it flavorful, we got spices. So we're gonna do 1/2 a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And if you don't wanna measure it, you can go ahead and just sprinkle it in there. But for the girlies who like to be precise, 1/2 a teaspoon of cinnamon, all right? Then over here we have some nutmeg. This is just gonna be a sprinkle or a dash or a pinch, whatever you'd like. And there we have it. Now we're just gonna blend it all in and enjoy. Alrighty, now that it's all nice and blended smooth, there are 2 ways that you can serve this, all right? If you didn't know, warm smoothies are actually a thing. And for those of you who are not like me in the hot, humid weather, and it's getting chilly up there for the holidays, you can actually warm this up and have a nice warm smoothie. Just put it in a pot and stir it slowly on a low heat and warm it up, and it'll be a warm apple pie smoothie. All right, if not, go ahead, serve it chilled. You can blend it with ice already or put ice in afterwards. All right, that's completely up to you. And if I piqued your interest on those warm smoothies, I do have a video on here on our YouTube channel of 3 warm smoothie recipes that you can go check out. But for now, let's taste this delicious one. It's like dessert in a cup, amazing. We're off to a great start, so let's check out the next one. Alrighty, smoothie number 2, Meredith Autumn Smoothie. All right, starting with our first ingredient is pumpkin, a 1/4 cup of pumpkin. Not only delicious, but pumpkin is also really, really good for you, very nutritious. All right, delicious and nutritious. So 1/4 cup of that in there. You can use canned or you can go ahead and do it yourself and get fresh pumpkin puree. All right, then we have a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Like I said before, really, really high in protein, probiotics, so good for you. I eat this every single day. Boom, in there. All right, then we have 1/2 a cup again, 1/2 a cup of non-dairy milk. All right, you can go ahead and put a cup if you want it a little bit less thick. All right, and don't forget to put ice if you want ice to make it colder and thicker. Unless you are using frozen fruit. If you're using frozen fruit, then you might not need ice. So next we have 1/2 a banana. So frozen or fresh, up to you. I usually like frozen fruit, but today I have fresh. Mix it up, use what you got, no problem. And then moving on to our spices, all right? A splash of vanilla extract. So just a splash for taste, boom. Maybe a little more. Ooh. All right. And also a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Really yummy. You can find this in any health store, all right? Full teaspoon. I'm using half, so I'm doing 2. And then we're saving the cinnamon for afterwards as a topper. All right, once you have all your ingredients there, go ahead, blend them up nice and smooth. Alrighty, look at that beautiful color from the pumpkin, nice and orange. Definitely gives the feeling of autumn, fall. Very good. Pour it in a nice, beautiful glass, or go ahead and just drink it in your smoothie cup, whatever floats your boat. There we go. Wow, look at that. I wish you could smell it. Just pouring it into the glass right now, the smell is incredible. And to top it off, we're gonna add a little cinnamon, a little dash of sprinkle of cinnamon, or a 1/4 teaspoon if you really wanna get down to it. But there we go. I'm gonna do a little extra. I love cinnamon. Also great fat burner, cinnamon, all right? And there we have it, our MBC Autumn Smoothie, our MetaBoost Autumn Smoothie. Smells good. Tastes delicious. All right, so 2 down, 1 more to go. Alrighty, and last but certainly not least, smoothie number 3 is a healthy salted caramel smoothie. Now we have 6 dates. Now with dates, it's super important to remember to pit them. So take out the pits in the middle. You can buy them pitted already. Some stores do offer that, but make sure you take out those pits. All right, then we have a frozen banana. All right, frozen banana. We have 1 tablespoon of either chia seeds, hemp seeds, or flax seeds, or like I like to do it, all 3. So I did a tablespoon of each. So you can choose 1 or 2 or all 3. I usually put all 3 in all of my smoothies, all right? And now for this smoothie, we have a cup of your non-dairy milk, all right? Instead of half a cup like our other ones, because it had a little less bulky ingredients, because of the dates, we want a full cup of milk here. Let's try not to spill. Woo! Oh yeah. Alrighty, and now 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can also do an almond butter, any nut butter, but this is what gives it that kind of salted caramel taste, all right? So all natural peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of that, all right? And if you're like me, you'll probably have some on the spoon as well. Last but not least, a teaspoon of our ground cinnamon, all right? In we go, and that's it. So simple, so yummy. All right, now time to blend. All right, and there we have it. This looks so nice and creamy. Remember to add ice if you're not using those frozen fruit and ingredients. All right, in we go. Wow, look at that. I'm telling you, all 3 of these are like a dessert in a cup, fall in a cup. All right, but so healthy, fat burning ingredients that are good for your body and your taste buds. All right, look at that. I don't know which one is my favorite. They are all delicious. And there we have it, my beautiful people. 3 healthy fall festive smoothies. We had our apple pie, our MetaBoost autumn, and salted caramel smoothies. Delicious and nutritious. You gotta try them. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.